Okay, here's your hint for number 11. So we're trying to find the work, and remember, work is a scalar, meaning it's not a vector. It only has magnitude. However, when we find work, we have to take the vector force and dot it with the vector displacement. How this looks in component form is if the force is a constant, we multiply the x component of the force times the x component of the displacement, and then add it to the y component of the force times the y component of the displacement. Notice there's no I hats and j hats in here. And so as a result, this number can be added to this number to get the overall work. When the force is a function, we do have to integrate that function. So we integrate the x component of it over the x and the y component over the y. You can get positives and negatives for work. What that means is if you get a positive work, that means you're adding kinetic energy, and if you get a negative work, it means you're removing kinetic energy. So these positives and the negative signs in these vectors still come through to produce positive and negative signs in the work, but it's not a vector positive and negative. It's just telling me am I adding kinetic energy or removing kinetic energy. Hopefully that helps you with that problem.